Data shows vans are involved in more accidents that result in fatal injuries to other road users per mile travelled than any other type of vehicle on the UK's roads. And the continued surge in demand for home deliveries means there are more vans on our roads than ever before. Why are they so far behind the curve when it comes to adopting technology which has proven to prevent collisions on cars?
Well, I think there are two reasons. Firstly, there's no push from the vehicle manufacturers because there's no independent safety ratings for vans. And there's also no pull from the consumer because vans tend to be bought at the lowest cost price.
Surely that's not good for road safety though?
No, and our research shows that vans pose a significant increased safety risk. That's because they're big and they're heavy, and also they haven't got the safety kit fitted as standard. We think there needs to be a significant change in this to improve road safety.
That's why NCAP and Thatcham Research are taking decisive action to drive up safety standards by testing the ADAS on vans for commercial van safety rating.
Vans undergo ADAS tests based on those used to rate cars. These have been proven to reduce casualties. The tests assess emergency braking capability, the effectiveness of speed limiter and lane support systems, as well as seatbelt reminders.